Hi y'all, I'm Gina with Country Family Values, and today we're going to be making spaghetti in the Instant Pot. Now we're going to brown this ground beef. Actually, I have ground chuck here. It's about 2.5 pounds. And I'm going to add my onions. You can add anywhere from a cup to more. I have almost 2 cups here because I just happen to have some already chopped that I decided to add to it. Add some mushrooms. This is just kind of an optional thing. You can add how many you want. This is about a cup. Add about a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to drain this excess oil off of here. Now I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of minced garlic. I like to get it already chopped up. It just saves a lot of time and seems like it's more economical. It keeps really well. I'm also going to start adding some of the spices. And put in 1 teaspoon of oregano. About an 1/8 teaspoon of thyme. One bay leaf. About a 1/2 teaspoon of basil. I use a cube of beef bouillon. One can of tomato sauce. There's 1 can of tomatoes. We're going to add some more, but we're going to save those for later. This is about 2 cups of water. Two tablespoons of brown sugar. Give that all a stir. Now I have 1 box of spaghetti. What I'm using is whole grain, and I have them broken into halves. But what I'm going to do is layer them. kind of hatched style. But this again is one box that I've gotten cut into halves. And the purpose of hatching it like that is to try to keep it keep them from clumping together. Now, I've got a quart of tomatoes here, but I'm going to suggest that you use about, the equivalent would be about 2 15-ounce cans. And we're going to pour that over the top. And then I'm going to start kind of smushing this down. You're wanting to make sure that your noodles are covered. Now I'm going to put the lid on it. Make sure that this is closed, it's not venting in the vent position, and I'm going to set the timer for 2 minutes. Setting it for 2 minutes. Now we've let this natural release for about 5, well it says 6 minutes now. So what I'm going to do is put that vent and let it finish releasing. If you'd like to see more videos like these, please subscribe and ring that bell. That way you'll be informed when other videos become available. And thank you for watching.